EVEX stock analysis and EVEX stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact proof with EVE holding, and it's such a decent bullish market for me, mate. And this reason, practically speaking, unless there's a decent double break, I don't care, I'm not buying. Which I already kind of saw this to begin with, so that's sick. And I'm gonna mark out the top. Here's my demand. If I do not see, it doesn't have to tap below. If I do not see pulling down just a tiny bit in a double break, there's just no way I'm going to look to buy. That's it, very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for bulls. So EVEX. That's it. I mean, if you want to get the sauce that's taken me 5 years to come to this point, you know, to learn, and you can learn it in hours, click the first link in the description. All 5-star reviews, it's risk-free. 1,200 people have already seen it.